Hello from campus. In case you're at the moment wondering what to do after your bachelor's, then you're at the right place. Because today it's all about the master's degree at Leuphana Graduate School. Wait, master's and graduate school? Isn't that already about doing a doctorate? Yes and no. The school model is based on the Anglo-American graduate education that mainly aims at the close connection between the master's degree and the doctorate. This shows, for example, in the high share of research-related modules in the study programs. There is even the opportunity to already establish initial context in the doctoral community during the master's. With a so-called doctoral track, you can, for example, integrate doctoral modules into your master's and consciously design your master's thesis as a basis for your planned dissertation. But even those of you who are not planning to do a doctorate, or at least not yet, can complete a master's at Leuphana Graduate School. Next to the strong research orientation, the grad school places special emphasis on interdisciplinarity, innovation and internationalization. For example, more than half of the study programs are held in English, and a stay abroad is often a fixed part of the course of studies. Studying at Leuphana means adopting new perspectives again and again in one's own discipline or in networking with students from other disciplines. So we deepen our specialized knowledge and at the same time learn through exchange to broaden the horizons of our discipline. All of this aims at thinking in a networked way and working agilely in professional, societal and scientific settings.
I would recommend to study here if you are an engaged person, if you are interested to broaden your horizon, to broaden your ideas, if you are very engaged not only in research but also to transfer the results that you get from research to society or to economics, and if you have like a very holistic picture of your surroundings and if you would like to really change something in the world and make it a better place. I think then Leuphana is really the right place for you. It's a university that welcomes participation a lot, and I would like to ask all of you to engage, to participate and to say your opinion, and I think people can really make a change here.
Sounds really nice, but what does this look like exactly in the study programs? At Leuphana Graduate School, there are the different subject areas: education, governance and law, cultural studies, management, psychology and sustainability. Each of these clusters offers different study programs. They all have a slightly different structure, especially the double and joint degrees and the teacher training courses. However, they are fundamentally based on the same values and goals. For the beginning of your studies, there's a master's kick-off. You definitely shouldn't miss this. The first week is about arriving and orientation. There are perspective workshops, alumni slams and joint breakfasts. We can network directly with our new fellow students from all disciplines and at the same time get to know the study programs, the campus and the city. After the kick-off, your studies then really start. Before your master's thesis, you have at least 3 semesters to immerse yourself in various compulsory and elective modules in your discipline. Similar to what you probably already know from your bachelor's, just with more research and practical projects. Special features of most study programs at Leuphana are the seminars together with students from other disciplines and clusters. In the complementary studies, we can discuss, for example, how science is lived in other disciplines, or how ethically responsible action works in a large company. Who then wants to know even more about a certain topic can visit specialized seminars from other study programs via the so-called electives.
I think we see it at different topics that we have to discuss at the moment. I mean, take the corona crisis or take sustainability aspects. Only if people from different fields come together and bring their expertise together, we can solve the big challenges that we have. We have a very good team at the graduate school who structures the teaching offer very well so that you can really choose from what exactly interests you in your discipline and also interdisciplinary spoken.
And there are even more opportunities. It is easily possible to integrate a stay abroad into your master's program. Also, there was still something about double and joint degrees. Those are master's programs that take place at different universities. You even get a separate degree from each university. So, you're interested in research practice, would like to study internationally in a supportive community and with a lot of freedom in the composition of your modules? Well, then Leuphana Graduate School is your place to be. You already know that you want to do a doctorate? Then connect your master's studies with a doctorate through the doctoral track. I hope I was able to give you some insights. You can find more information on the Leuphana website or just visit the student counseling. Then, maybe see you soon on campus. Goodbye.